Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called File Manager. When you find it, click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-up and click on Downloads category under Apps. Then click on Downloads again, and as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it and tap on one of those sources, like photos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!